Do you have one of those days where you're just super hungry and you want to eat a lot, but you want to eat without worrying about the calories? I might have just the perfect dinner recipe for you. My husband and I have been eating this taco salad. I don't know if I could call it taco salad because technically there's no taco shell involved, but it's all lettuce and protein. And eat just this every single day, you may even lose a few pounds. Check it out and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. All you need is some ground beef and some extra meat on the side. You of course cook the ground beef. I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning to it, make it just right. You start the bowl with the meat on the bottom, but of course it's up to you. If you like to have your meat on the top, that works as well. Then you add some cheese and beans. You can use pinto beans or whatever kind of beans you prefer. And then of course avocado always makes it really good, so I always like to add avocado. I season it a little bit myself, and then I add it to another layer of the bowl. Then of course adding tomatoes just makes the entire salad a lot more flavorful, so I add tomatoes and lettuce. And then cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add cilantro. I also like to add sour cream, a lot of sour cream for me, as well as salsa. There we go, that's the taco salad. We have a little bit of meat on the side, and of course sugar-free 0 Minute Maid. Put on a good show on Netflix. We were watching Moving at the time we filmed this one. Once the bowl is ready, you can mix it at your own pace all the way to the bottom, and then you dig in. Enjoy!